Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay November 5, 2023 Sunday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM digit games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM result ngayong November 5, 2023 Sunday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM result ngayong Sunday, November 5, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. 'See you again later for 5 PM result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for November 5, 2023, Sunday. Tonight's jackpot estimate of Super Lotto 649 is 98 million pesos and Ultra Lotto 658 estimated jackpot price is 98 million pesos for Sunday, November 5, 2023. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of November 5, 2023, Sunday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.